Enabling Android System Webview is a straightforward process that allows you to use web pages within Android apps. To start, go to your device settings and select the Apps or Applications option. From the list of installed apps, find the Android System Webview app. If you cannot find it, you may need to enable the option to view system apps. Once you have located the Android System Webview app, click on it to open its settings page. Look for the Enable or Disable option, depending on the current state of the app. If the app is disabled, click the Enable button to activate it. You may see a warning message about the potential risks of enabling the app. But in most cases, this is a standard message and you can safely proceed. If the Android System Webview app is not installed on your device, you can download and install it from the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store, search for Android System Webview, and click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, go back to your device settings and enable the app as described earlier. After enabling Android System Webview, you can test it by opening an app that uses web pages, such as Gmail or Google Maps. If the app can load web pages correctly, then Android System Webview is working properly. Keep in mind that some apps may have their own built-in web browsers, so you may not notice a difference in all apps. It is also important to note that Android System Webview is updated through the Google Play Store, so you should ensure that your device has the latest version installed. To check for updates, open the Play Store. Go to the My Apps page and look for the Android System Webview app. If an update is available, click the Update button to install the latest version. In summary, enabling Android System Webview is a simple process that requires you to locate the app in your device settings, enable it if it is disabled, and install any available updates from the Google Play Store. By following these steps, you can ensure that Android System Webview is working correctly and that you can use web pages within Android apps without any issues.